way they are. That's the way birds are.
I swear to God, you will not like the bird.
So if
Great
I come
bird.
home like this, maybe.
No, he's an asshole bird. He will not like
Whoa,
it.
there goes one.
Oh, no.
Great bird.
That's how birds are, though.
No.
The
Not all
bird
birds
is
are that way.
very loyal to me.
This bird is an asshole bird. He's a fuck bird. I hate him. Edgerman
Bird loves me.
He likes him because he doesn't know what I do.
Now, did you have the bird? How long have you had him?
I've had him since 6 years.
We're the third people to have this stupid bird.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Because they live a long.
75 years.
They live too long. I swear to God. This bird is
Too long.
oh yeah. Oh. Too long.
How old is he?
Too long.
Too long old?
Yeah.
Bird was born in 76, so he's 31 years old.
Oh, we got another 40 years out
40
of him.
years, yeah. She loves it, yes.
I hate him. Hate that. Hate him. Y'all come and see this bird. Y'all be like, ew, I hate that bird. Yeah, nobody likes it.
Yeah. Mr. Curtis, all up.
What we'll do is when they come and visit, let them go to bed, then we'll put Sammy on the bed with them.
Yeah.
All the
Crawl
stars
around.
out tonight.
Poop on their head,
I don't know if it's love.
Oh, in my hair.
put in your hair, yes.
But I only have eyes for you. The moon may be high, though I can't see close.